Hello, so I'm going to show you this Lego set. So this is a chicken frame. This is Alex. She has a Alex. She can move in legs. And this is a wolf. Wolf. Comes with. This is. Then it has 3 chickens. A baby. And then you got mother chicken, a father chicken, and fish added. And then you have a furnace. 2 sides, one cooking, one not cooking. And you have the chicken from it. It has this cool thing with, but if you put this egg in there, there's chests. Then has some of that stuff. I added a cookie to it. And then, oh wait, no, wait. Oh, I guess it looks like that. And look, you can poop out the egg. And here's the rest of it. Has a cooked chicken, and then a chicken banner, and then this and some water. And that's all. Bye-bye.